Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice installation is failing, stuck midway, or showing an error message during setup, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you install OnlyOffice successfully. First, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements. Older operating systems or low specs can cause installation failures. Next, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. Yeah, permission issues are one of the most common reasons installation fails. If you're installing the online or web-based version, make sure your internet connection is stable. Unstable internet can interrupt the setup process. Make sure you have enough free disk space, so low storage can stop installation files from extracting properly. Some antivirus programs may block installation files. Temporarily disabling them can help identify if that's the cause. If a previous installation failed, leftover files may block the new setup. Yeah, removing old files can fix this issue. Try downloading a fresh copy of the installer from the official website. Corrupted download files often cause installation failure. Make sure your operating system is up to date, so missing system updates can prevent new applications from installing. If possible, try installing OnlyOffice in another drive. Yeah, sometimes permission issues affect the default drive. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off during installation. Network routing issues can sometimes interrupt setup downloads. If installation still fails, uninstall everything and try a clean reinstall. Yeah, a fresh setup usually fixes hidden conflicts. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for help. They may be able to identify deeper system or compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice installation failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.